Hey all, I'm out junking for parts for the Magnum, and I'm in a Magnum in the yard here. I believe it's a 2005 like mine. It's about that same era anyway, and it has the weirdest accessory for this era that I have ever seen. It has a CD and cassette deck radio. Like how freaking weird is that? You could still get a cassette deck in the mid 2000s. Like I had a Ford Taurus in 1991 that had a radio like this. And at that point, it was in case you still have some cassettes left over, you have a way to play them. This is a 2005. Nobody had been making cassettes for so long. This is such a weird artifact. Like, I'm tempted to get this radio, even though it doesn't have an aux jack, just for the sheer weirdness of being able to play cassettes in such a new car. Like, just bizarre. Anyway, just had to share that with you for its sheer weirdness. Talk to you later. Bye.